Okay, Rat Down the Range, part 3.
Alright, really quick. This is some hard primer ammunition, so it may not shoot all of them. But I want to kill that rat. And I figured 32 rounds is enough to kill the rat.
So far the rat's winning, dude. You broke it, man. Epic fail?
It's got a primer strike on it. I told you, it does not like these primers. That's my excuse and I'm going with it. Alright, let's see if it'll shoot it hitting it the second time. So it will the second time. So wait, I wonder. There's no way for me to do that, is there? Well, now I got 32 rounds in a gun that doesn't want to shoot 32 rounds.
Sure, it's operator error, man.
You want to try this? Yeah, it just does not like these primers. So, I see a whole bunch of them there on the ground. Let's try shooting all these bullets. So there's 1, 2. Maybe that's what I need to do. Just run this through the gun and just let it light primer strike all of them and then load it back up.
That'd be awfully inconvenient if we were in combat. Hold on, guys. Time out.
I'm gonna laugh if this works. Okay, I got, I think, 4 rounds.
Okay, I'm getting hit with shell casings over here.
Well, this isn't really fun. This feels like a lot of work. Alright, I'm going to load up the bullets that are on the ground and I'll let Keith shoot it. You know, I was telling him off camera that if we have enough problems, he might still get to shoot this thing. And I was right. Way too accurately right. So I'm curious, since they all have light primer strikes, I wonder if it'll be reliable now.
We're going to find out.
Bullet.
Damn.
Bullet. There's a lot of them.
Yeah, here.
There's another one right next to it. These aren't so hard to find.
That's because they're all dropped right in the same spot.
And they all got light primer strikes on them. I think that might be all of them. You want to try it?
Yeah, what the hell?
Yeah, go for it. I'll see if you're centered. Yep, go for it.
Well, stovepipe.
Huh. That's a new one. It really doesn't like these bullets.
No.
Like I said, I've shot some Cellar and Bellet through it and it worked just fine.
Try that one.
No, that bullet's sunk in there too much. I'm not going to risk it.
Oh, okay.
I swear this thing's reliable. It just doesn't like these bullets.
Yeah, blame the bullets.
I will. They're Russian surplus. It's the bullets.
I think it's the rat. The rat doesn't want to die. Rat on the range. Guaranteed to make your gun malfunction.
You know, you're trying to sell this rat, right? Maybe not talk down how it makes it unreliable.
Oh yeah, that's right. Let's get a close-up of the rat at a range.
Wow. You want to see how many holes are in this thing? So, I like the white because you can really pick out the carbon and...
Pull back just a little bit.
Right about here?
And up a little bit. Yeah, now we're in frame.
You see that? The white's nice because you can see every little detail. He maintained that eye. I'm impressed.
His one eye, turn him around. Let's see what his butt looks like.
That is a weird sentence. I hope you know how odd that is, especially since you're talking about a rat.
Rat bandage.
All right, well, there's his butt.
Well, I meant the backside of him, where the stuffing's coming out.
There's his butt.
Turn him around to the other side. Yeah, oh yeah, see? Right at a range. 69 payments of $69.69. This is one of the best investments I've made. Except for my wife, of course, because, she's like, my wife, and,
Look at that. Look at all that.
Wow.
Can you concede he's dead now?
He's not dead.
You sure? I think he was dead before he was alive.
He's not dead. He can still be reused. He will appear in more videos.
Wow. I actually feel sorry for this ugly bastard.
No, you don't.
No.
You said he was on crystal meth last time.
He was on crystal meth.
He still is.
Well, he's not on anything. He's dead.
Uh-huh. He had an encounter with the fifth horseman of the apocalypse on PCP.
I'm not going to lie, holding this thing, I feel like I need an STD check or something. Just holding it.
Well, where the thing came from is of questionable nature.
I'm going to go wash my hands.